Okay, today we're going to explain how to download and install a Daemon and your wallet for cryptocurrencies. We're going to use Electroneum for this example. So just to make things easier, the first thing we're going to do here is we are going to go into your C drive. We're going to open that up. We're going to right click on any empty white space there. Go to New Folder, and we're going to call it Lab Binary Mining. We're going to open this folder by double clicking. We're going to do it right click again. We're going to create a new folder. We're going to call this Electroneum. And then we're going to open up the Electroneum folder. And then we're going to create 3 folders inside here. Right click, new folder. We're going to call this one, what do I call it? Daemon and wallet. We're going to right click again, new folder. CPU miner. We're going to right click, new folder. And we're going to call this one GPU miner. Okay, so we're going to first go into our Daemon and wallet, because that's what we're going to discuss first. We're going to go to labbinarymining.com, and there is a guide on the right hand side, Electroneum Mining Guide. This is exactly what I'm explaining here in this video, but it is a written guide, so you can follow it if that's how you choose to follow it. We're going to download this file here. This is the Daemon and Wallet CLI for Electroneum. We're going to click on that. That's going to start downloading, which we already have it downloaded. So we're just going to hop into our downloads. We're going to run it. Then we're going to extract all of these files from this folder and into the folders we just made. So we're going to open up our C drive. We're going to open up Lab Binary Mining. We're going to open up Electroneum. Then we're going to click on the Daemon and Wallet and press OK. This is going to extract its contents out. Then we can go ahead and close this, close this, close this. All right, don't worry about that. Okay. So now we should have in our Daemon wallet all the extracted files here. We're going to start up the Electroneum D first. I suggest anytime you start up these type of files, you right click and run as administrator. Click yes. What this is going to do, this is going to connect what's called a daemon to the network for this cryptocurrency. It's going to synchronize or download the entire blockchain. When you first do this, this is going to take a very long time to download and finish completely syncing. I've already got this synced, and what you'll do is you'll see this message here saying that you are now synchronized and you're ready to go. Every time you close this, and the next day, for example, if you open it again, it'll resync, it'll re-download where it left off. So that very first time you run it, it will be a very long download. After that, they'll be fairly quick, depending on how often you use it. So okay, so once we have the daemon up and running and synced, which we have now, we're just going to go ahead and minimize this. We're going to start what's called the Electroneum-wallet-CLI. CLI stands for Command Line Interface. We're going to right click this and run as administrator. Click yes. And then this, what we're going to do first is we're going to create a new wallet. We're going to call this tutorial. Press enter. It's going to say, I cannot find this wallet. Do we want to create one? We're going to hit Y for yes. You're going to enter a password and then confirm the password. Then it's going to ask you what language. In this example, we're going to use English. Press 1, enter. And it's going to download and sync to the blockchain. What it's doing is each block in the blockchain is a group of transactions. It is going through all the transaction and the whole history of the entire blockchain to get your balance and see how many coins that you have. This is a brand new wallet, of course, so there's not going to be anything on it. So we'll let that sync up here, and you'll see that will be connected. When you create a new wallet, there are 3 very important pieces of data here. We are going to create a new file here, so we're going to copy all these keys. There's 3 keys that we need. We're going to go back to our Daemon and Wallet. We're going to right click, go to new, and we're going to go to a new text document. And I'm just going to call this keys. You're going to open up keys, and we're going to have 3 pieces of data we're going to save. We're going to save our wallet address, our view key, and our seed words. These 3 pieces of information can be found. First one is new wallet. This is your new wallet address. All Electroneum addresses start with ETN. So we're going to go ahead and highlight the entire thing. Press Control C to copy. We're going to put it right underneath wallet address here in our little keys.txt. Control V to paste. And then there you go. You see that wallet address is saved. We're going to come back to view key right here. And we're going to highlight just the view key itself. Press Control C. We're going to come to our keys.txt. And we're going to paste that underneath our view key. Next, we're going to need our seed words. There's going to be a grouping of words down here. We want to get all 3 lines. We're going to highlight all of them. We're going to press Control C to copy, and we're going to Control V to paste them into this document. Okay, let me explain these a little bit. This first key is your wallet address. This is a public, outward-facing address. Anybody with this address can only send you ETN, Electroneum coins. This can be given to anybody, and it's called a public address for that reason. You can publicly announce this to anybody you want. All they can do with this key, the only thing they can do with this key is send you coins. This is a view key. We'll go over this in maybe in a later video or sometime later. Not too necessary right now for what we're doing. And then these seed words are extremely important. These groupings of words are what you're going to use to restore a wallet if you cannot access it. For example, if your computer dies, you lose your computer, you lose all the data on it. You want to make sure that you have written down these or have them saved on a USB jump drive, something. This will allow you to restore a wallet and get access back to your wallet. All right. And what I'm going to do at the end of this, I'm going to put what's called a spend key, and we're going to get this data here in just a moment. But that's the spend key. Okay. Oops. All right, so next what we're going to do is we are going to show you how to get the spend key and how to transfer coins from your wallet to somebody else's wallet. All right, so after your wallet CLI is loaded and you're in your wallet, you'll have this wallet, this yellow wallet ETN command prompt. We're going to type here spend key, all one word, and press enter. It's going to ask you for your password. We're going to enter that. And you're going to have your secret spend key. This secret spend key is the key or the address used to send money to somebody else. This needs to be kept private and very secure. So we're going to go ahead and copy that by pressing Control C. We're going to come back over to our keys.txt, and we're going to paste this information into our spend key information. When you're going to make a transfer, you need this spend key. Okay. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go through a transfer. So we're back in our prompt over here, our wallet prompt. We're going to type the word transfer. We're going to put a space. You're going to want to put in an address of where you're going to send your coins to. I'm just going to grab an address I use. We're going to come over here. So I copy an address from another location, and then we're going to press Control V to paste that address in. We're going to press space. You're going to enter in the denomination of ETN you want to send. Let's say we're going to send 100 ETN. So we're going to just type 100, press space, and then you need your spend key. This is your spend key right here. We're going to copy this, and then we're going to paste that with Control V. And I pasted that twice on accident. So let me just erase it and paste it once. Okay. This is how you make a transfer. We're going to press enter, and it's going to first take the command transfer to this address, the address you're transferring to, how many ETN you would like to transfer, and the key needed for you to access the coins on your wallet, okay, which is your spend key. All right. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to close this out. That's how that works. We didn't have any ETN, so I didn't press enter because it's not going to work anyway. And I'm going to explain how to restore a wallet from these keys here. Okay. So what we're going to do is, this is going to be a little bit different. We're going to hit start down here, just start typing. Type CMD to get a command prompt. We're going to right click command prompt, click run as administrator. Go ahead and hit yes. And what we need to do is change directory into these files, to the folder in these files. So to do that, we're going to type CD for change directory, press space. And a really quick tip here is to get into this folder right here, if you just click once to the right of it in the white, it'll automatically highlight the address of this folder you're in. We're going to right click, we're going to click on copy, come back over here, Control V to paste, and then press enter. And now our command prompt is now in this folder. Okay, so in here, we're going to type Electroneum hyphen wallet hyphen CLI, and you'll see that right here, that Electroneum wallet CLI. We're going to add a argument to this, so we're going to type hyphen hyphen. We're going to restore hyphen deterministic and press enter. We've already got the lab tutorial, so I'm going to pretend that we're making a new wallet. I'm going to type lab tutorial number 2. We're going to press enter, and now it's going to ask you for your Electrum seed. Your Electrum seed, or your seed words, are right here. So we're going to go ahead and highlight these. Press Control C to copy. We're going to come back over here, press Control V, and press enter. You're going to enter a new password. And we're going to confirm said password. And there you go. We're into the wallet. It's going to show us again the 3 keys and our seed words again, which are the exact same. Then it's got a question for you is, where do you want to restore the wallet from on the blockchain? It is best to restore it completely 100%. It does take a lot longer, but it will restore it from the very first gen block all the way to the current block that's synced in the blockchain. So we're just going to press 0 here and press enter, and it's going to start refreshing. Okay, so that's going to take some time to refresh, but again, this is what we've gone through. We've learned how to generate an address. We've learned what 3 keys are important to keep, or your set of C words, and we've learned how to find your spend key inside an Electroneum wallet, and we've also learned how to use the transfer command. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment. We'll put a link down below the video for our Discord. If you have any questions, if you need help doing any of this, just contact me in Discord, and I'll help you out. I'll walk you through anything you need. Thank you for watching.